So I cleaned those white pieces with brake cleaner, wiped them down with a paper towel. And now I'm going to wrap them with tape. So cushion the plastic on metal sounds. Tape will kind of act like a lubricant a little bit for that metal rod that passes through them. Probably not a bad idea to go ahead and put grease back on them. I did not put grease on the driver's side when I did it. I might later, but this part doesn't move a whole lot. Doesn't really need lubricant that bad. Sorry if I'm not getting this on camera. I've got the camera propped up in the door panel. And just wrapping it around. This may help take up, if there's a little bit of slack between that metal rod and this plastic piece, this will help take up slack there. I don't know if you guys use tape this way, but it works really well to just let it feed off the roll and spin on your finger. I realized I sounded a little redneck on finger. It's alright though. So, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't need to be the most beautiful thing in the world. Just kind of make one continuous. Keep a deal of tape here. Get it all taped. Dust it off. That one's done. Off camera a second ago, I noticed that once you unbolt these, this piece will lift up like that. Let's see if I can do this while holding it. Here is your piece. Again, this opening faces the back side. It faces this direction. This is the front side of the truck, or facing forward on the truck. This is facing backwards towards the rear of the truck. Stick it around, lift up that, well, don't drop it. Lift that up, go over it. We'll stick this one over here on that side, and I'll wrap the other one, put it on over here, and then just put everything back together.